Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of iTagPro. So iTagPro is basically a GPS Bluetooth tracker that is, according to their bold claim, is the #1 America's rated smart GPS tracker. So it provides you with the feature of smart real-time tracking for what matters. So it also works for both Android and iPhone. So now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises, as they are making a bold claim that they have 11,000 plus happy customers, but we never know where those customers exist. So I tried to search for the reviews of this product on Amazon, as it is available on Amazon as well, and only 5 people have reviewed it so far with 2.8 rating out of 5 stars. So in my opinion, this is slightly poor rating, and only 5 people have reviewed it so far. It also raises concerns about its legitimacy. And once you search for it on the Walmart, it has the worst possible rating of 1 out of 5 stars, which is just based on one review. So this is also a major red flag. And besides, they have a rating of 1.2 stars out of 5 based on 110 reviews on Trustpilot website. So this is the most major red flag. So in conclusion, I would say like this product doesn't work the way they are making the bold claims. So you should avoid purchasing this item and sort of wasting your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.